So over here you can see that I have a bunch of notes in Google Keep. And if I want to delete them, then I can click on one of the notes that I want to delete, and then I can click on the three dot button right here and then click on delete note. I can go around over here onto the other note as well, click on the three dot button and delete note from over there as well. I can go around and do the same from over here as well. I can delete out the note. I can go around and delete out the note right here. You can press undo from the pop-up to get the deleted note back immediately as well. But as time goes by, what happens is that this pop-up will disappear as well. So whenever you delete out the notes that you have inside of the homepage of notes in Google Keep, then what happens is that they are not deleted altogether. Actually, they get collected on the trash section right here. So once you go around onto the trash section, you see all of the notes that is deleted. And let's say if I were to go to the notes, you don't see the note with the TutuTube logo on it. But if I were to go to trash, then you can see that logo right here. So I can go around and click on the delete forever button, or I can restore it out. And once I restore on the notes section, you can see this right here. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say on the trash section, you can go around and then restore this note out, and then you may want to delete some notes forever. So you can click on that as well. But it says delete note forever because it cannot be restored then after. So you have to be absolutely sure if you want to delete it. The notes in the trash are deleted automatically after 7 days. So even if you don't empty out trash, or like if you don't delete them manually, everything will be deleted after 7 days. But if you want to empty out all the trash manually, you can click on empty trash as well and click on empty trash, and all of the notes in the trash gets deleted and it won't be recoverable anymore. So that is how you can go around and delete out and recover notes inside of Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.